This video will really quickly show you exactly how to grant other users access to your Google Ads account. So why are we doing this? Because people always, for some reason, struggle with this. It's dead straightforward. We're having to take our clients through it all the time. So this is it. So quite simply, log on to your Google Ads account. You'll be presented with something similar to what you can see here. And you are going to find the admin section and click on that for me. You're then going to come down to here to access and security, and you will come across a screen similar to this depending on the amount of people that you've actually got access to your system. You're going to click on this little plus button right up here and enter the email address that is associated with the Google Ads account that you want to grant access to. There is no point putting the email address in there that you've been communicating with the individual on. It has to be the email that is associated with the Google Ads account that you want to grant access. So you enter that in now. Then you can set your expiry, so when you want that access to expire, and that is customizable. And that's really important because you might want somebody just to dip in and check something, and then you can withdraw the access when is relevant to you. Then you're going to set here what access level you want them to provide. So do you want to give them email only access, billing access? Billing access might be for something like your accountant who wants to download invoices, that sort of thing. Read only, so they can see everything but they can't do anything. Standard access and admin access. Admin access is the access that you will have. They can do absolutely everything, and you can check these little bits down here to see exactly what this enables them to do. So never grant people more access than they actually need would be our advice, just because it prevents things going wrong. And obviously if you give somebody full admin access, they can then remove your access. So there needs to be a high degree of trust. If you're going to do that, then quite simply select send invitation. Importantly, that invitation will go through. They will get an email notification to the email account that you have set, and they have to accept that invitation for then access to be fully granted. So that's it. Just a couple of minutes, quick video to show you exactly how to do that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll be doing lots of how-tos and lots of information about strategic marketing on Google Ads, SEO, Facebook ads, and more. We'll see you next time.